Hey there. So this is my house, and as I was reviewing some of the final submissions and looking at the positives and negatives that people felt that they liked or disliked about this program, one of your classmates had said, "Hey, I really don't like the fact that I can design everything here and I can see it three-dimensionally over here by moving the little guy, which, we can look at it from the outside, we can look at it from the inside, but it's such a small window." I thought I had mentioned this before, but perhaps not. There's a resize button right here, and this is basically toggles back and forth between having a three-dimensional view from the perspective of the little guy here, and also just the floor plan itself. So there is a way for you to actually, put the guy in here, and then you can use the roller wheel on your mouse. You can also look up and down by holding down the left mouse button and moving your mouse forward and backwards. You can turn left, you can turn right, um, up and down. If you want to walk somewhere, you have a couple of choices. Right now, I'm just rolling the wheel on my mouse. You have these little four-sided arrows here where you can click the arrows and it'll make you move left, right, forward, backwards. You can also just plain old grab the guy over here and have him move into the bedroom. And if you do end up in the middle of a wall, it doesn't look very good. This is also a time where you could take, hey, I want to take this paintbrush. There's wallpaper, but there's also color. Color means that you're going to paint something. So one of the other rooms I had already painted this color, and the other room I painted that color, so those are still there as reminders. For this room, maybe an off like a blue, whoops. So something like that would work. So I click on that, and it should paint it for me. If I want to look around, I can just kind of turn around. I can step backwards. I can turn a little bit more. I can step backwards again. Once again, you're going to have to try to get used to using the roller wheel. Um, so you're going to notice I tried to pick the same style door, at least the same color. You can also do floor coverings. Here I did a rug, there I did tile. Those are all picked room by room. Like if I wanted to pick this utility room here, you can jump from room to room by just clicking on the room over here. So you might find that helpful when you're doing the design, but you also might find that just kind of cool that you can see things that you created by looking at it in this way. So please give this a try, and I will see you later.